Hello, my friends over in YouTube land. Here I am again, sitting in the back of this 2023 Tesla Model Y Performance, here to put in a new product that we received not too long ago from our friends at Hansshow. And what this is a Model 3 Model Y Smart Quick Expansion Dock 21 Plus. Not sure what the 21 Plus means. If you know, tell me in the comments. In any case, it's just an expansion dock that we're used to have up in the consoles over here. Right now I got another one in right there in the middle of the cup holder and the sliding mechanism. Just a little neat little tool to do things. That's been my personal fave up there for a while now, but let's see if this one can take the reign. As always, Hansshow comes correct with the literature. Nice installation manual, installation video, QR codes, customer support. Another giant QR code going to hautopart.com, which if you do go there, please go ahead and pick up some products. Use code JTheDev at checkout, and you'll earn some money off your entire order. They're always running specials. I think an Easter special is coming, seeing it's the beginning of March. And you'll save a bunch of money off the entire cart, not just for this console or for this expansion dock, but also for anything else. So code JTheDev at Hansshow. So here is the dock itself, and it goes in this way when it docks in. Right here, as we'll show. And right there is a little area where you can run some wires up through to go ahead and charge whatever device you want to. Go ahead, it'll just settle right in here, and you can just go ahead and string them up as needed. Pretty cool. These buttons are kind of like smart sexy buttons, if you know what those products are, where they open certain things. These are not programmable, I do not believe. If they are, I'll correct myself in the description, but I do not believe they are. They open just certain things around the vehicle, such as the doors, I think passenger and passenger rear door, turn on the lights, open the glove box, certain things like that. USB-C, USB-A, pretty simple. It does need some connection mechanism, which is very easy. This is a little smart box that connects to this automatically, and all you have to do is run it to the jumper in the back, as everything is down below here. Very easy. We've done it a million times, and it's good to go. So let's go ahead and pop that panel off. All you'll need is a spudger, which did not come with this, but if you've ordered anything in the past from Hansshow, these things are always available. They're available on Amazon for pennies too, so just go ahead and get you one. And look at my finger up in the top corner. All right, so let's get through. Let's go and do this. All right, so we have the panel popped off, and as you see, I already have one jumped because of my rear screen right here, but you can go ahead and jump as many as you want. The only problem is this is only so big to cover it all up with, so you're gonna run out of room really quick. People are starting to make expansions of these, which I have one on the way now. I'm just gonna leave it open until my expansion comes in, and then I'll test that out. And no one really sits in the back, so I'm not worried about getting too dirty, except under there. I should probably clean that up, huh? We'll do that today. And you know, so on and so forth. We'll get this all situated. So what we have to do is this one right here, pop it off, and we can leave that one on. Go ahead and jump this, and then we'll just have a bunch of wires dangling down there for a little bit, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and do it now. All right, so we got the piece all hooked in, and as you see, there's this little dangly piece. That's what we go ahead and hook this box up to. It does look like it comes with some Velcro, which you can go ahead and stick onto the back of the box, as well as hide underneath there or whatnot, just to leave it on the outside so it has a better connection. I don't think you really have to. If you can tuck it away, all well, all good, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave mine over there, just kind of dangling for now, till I can tidy everything up when my expansion cover comes in, and let's see what this is all about. I'll meet you in the front. I misspoken. Hansshow thinks of everything. It does come with a spudger. That's why I'm a pro. All right, now we're in the front getting ready to hook it all up. It also comes in a package, this wire. Now what this wire does is I'm going to actually flip it around so it fits better. But what it does is it hooks into your outlets down there for USB-C. Yours probably doesn't look like this because this is a third-party one. This whole panel you take off and replace, and it adds some USB-Cs, more USB-As, and is also for those who do not have data connectivity. It adds that as well, which you have to run all the way up to the front underneath there, but that's a whole nother ball game. So let's go ahead and hook this up. It's pretty easy. What we do is go ahead and at an angle slip this in, close it up, and literally it's in. I just come down here, find the USB-C, plug it in, and it's live. Good to go. That's that. This will match. Mine's carbon fiber paneling over it, but this does match perfectly to the factory. So, what do these buttons do? Let's find out right now. All right, so these buttons do the following. First button will turn on the overhead lights. Press again, they turn off. This button right here opens the glove box. Note, it does not ask for a password. Example, and it asks for my password, right? It bypasses that. So just be aware. For those who don't care, not too bad. All right, so next, what does this one do? Folds in the mirrors. I press the glove box again. Folds out the mirrors. Pretty cool. That's on the fly. All of this can be done within here. This is just ease of use for those that like buttons, so not a bad thing. The rear one, or the last one, which is the star, with it looking like a D, is preheating. I don't believe you'll see anything up here. Yeah, it doesn't seem to say anything. Let me put it in drive. I can definitely hear it kick on. It doesn't say anything, but you can definitely hear it. So that's pretty cool. Also, let's see if we can do that again real quick. We got a ghost. All right, so in any case, there he is again. Say hello. All right, so now we also have double tap function. So double tapping the first one will open up the passenger side door. Pretty cool. Second one, double tapping will open up the passenger side rear. Pretty sweet there. Double tapping this one, which is the square, opens up the frunk. No, I have a power frunk. No, it'll not make your frunk powered. You can order that as well from Hansshow. Use code JTheDev again at checkout. Get some money off. Double tap it again. It'll close your frunk if you have a power frunk. Not too bad. Last but not least, we have the last button. Double tap, and it'll open up the rear. Go ahead and hit it again, double tap, and it'll close. Pretty cool for you, though. For those of you that have a Model 3 before they had the power trunk, obviously yours won't do that. You'd have to get the third-party mechanism to do that as well. Just a warning there. But in any case, pretty cool little device. I like it a lot. It definitely does what it's supposed to do. These chargers work great. You can go ahead and run your wire up through here. So if you're someone that likes physical buttons, this is definitely a product that you'll like, that's easy to install, foolproof, and works as it's advertised. So, shout out to Hansshow for sending over this awesome little console expansion dock mechanism for us to try out and share with you all. Again, can't stress enough, use code JTheDev at checkout at hautoparts.com and get yours today, along with all these power stuff. Power frunk up there, they have the soft close frunk. They have the power door presenting door handles over here, which I have. Great stuff. They also have this right here for ambient lighting. Great stuff right there. So go ahead and get yours today. Code JTheDev from Hansshow. Again, thank you, Hansshow, and until the next one, see ya.